Hey everyone, Couch Investor back with another video for you today. So in today's video, we're going to discuss Playstudios. They recently announced that they're going to go public through, yes, another SPAC, but at least this is officially announced. The SPAC, the ticker symbol for that is ACAC. Now this SPAC is actually backed by former chairman and CEO of MGM. So pretty good on that front. Now we know a lot of gaming companies out there. We know a lot of gaming casino companies out there as well. For example, Playtika went public recently as well. They're valued at, I think, over $13 billion. Playstudios is actually valued at around $1.1 billion. So pretty cheap compared to Playtika. I know Playtika is huge, but still, if you look at it for a long-term perspective, this could be a cheaper option. Also, Playstudios does things differently. All of that will be discussed in this video. Little hint, little preview is that they actually offer real life rewards. Now, before I jump into this video, I want to thank everyone that has been subscribing lately. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. And if you like these videos, leave an early thumbs up as it really helps me outgrow the channel and get my videos out there. So without further ado, let's dive into this. Right, so first a quick intro of what Playstudios actually does. Then we're going to look at the investor presentation. So basically, Playstudios has developed a portfolio of beautifully designed, top-ranked games that have attracted a loyal following due in part to the company's unmatched PlayAwards loyalty program. Now, the program lets players earn real-world rewards from a curated collection of 80 partners and 275 entertainment, retail, travel, leisure, and gaming brands. They also become the first publicly listed mobile games company offering players real-world rewards. Now, to date, the Playstudios community has used its in-app loyalty points to purchase over 10 million rewards with a retail value of nearly $500 million. So like most gaming apps, they try to bring the experience to your living room. For example, here, they try to bring Vegas to your mobile phone, but that doesn't mean they don't want you to physically go to Vegas as well, because like we just said, they offer players real-world rewards. That entails maybe a discount at a certain hotel in Vegas, maybe cruises, planes, nice little buffet, free buffet in a hotel, etc. So that's overall what they're doing. Now let's go and take a look at their investor presentation. So first we have Playstudios. It's more than just a game. It actually is way more than just a game. So the investment highlights here, we can see 2022 revenue of $435 million. Again, this is just projected revenues. Doesn't mean it cannot exceed, but it doesn't mean it cannot be less than that as well. 4.2 million monthly active users, 56 minutes play per day, 46% EBITDA compound annual growth rate. Overall, a massive market opportunity, dedicated network of players, global network of award partners, and very importantly, it's founder-led. So to give a bit more context, the market is massive. Gaming, like you know, I'm a big gamer, big fan of gaming, has eclipsed music, movies, and books. You can see here in the last couple of years, it has exceeded all of those markets. And in my opinion, this will just continue to do so. Now, if one of you has ever created an app, created a game, you know there is this creator dilemma. So this is where it becomes very interesting. So the creator's dilemma, the inevitable life cycle of a great game. So it starts with development, then launch, then growth. All goes well. Maturity, you reach your peak, but then becomes the struggle of the retention. As you can see, it goes downhill from there. Now, this is where Playstudios come in, the loyalty lift. As you can see, the graph does not go downhill after maturity because of the incremental impact of the loyalty program, which brings way more value than traditional gaming and traditional programs. We actually see that with lots of stores nowadays. They have this loyalty program to try and bring you back next time and next time and next time. So here, what does it actually bring extra? Play free games, earn real rewards. You have real world events, you have a MyVIP framework, real community connections, concierge service, VIP hosts. All of that combined really helps with the retention of your users and customers. Like I previously said, loyalty programs work. You can see here 78% more customer engagement with brands offering loyalty program. It goes from dining, airlines, theaters, cars, retail, groceries, you name it. If you have a loyalty program, you know your customers will be way more engaged than if you don't offer that option. So you might ask yourself right now, how do they partner with such brands? How do these brands reach out to Playstudios? How does this actually work? So you can see actually here it's a cycle. So let's say you start from here up top, you promote the partners in the app. Players starts playing and then they redeem real world awards, which translates in more revenue to their partners. Then the partners promote the actual app that just brought them more revenue, which means that player will return to the digital realm to redeem in-app offers. And then the cycle continues and continues. Obviously, this goes without saying. The more players, the more customers. The more customers, the more partners that would like to join the program. The more partners, the more awards. And then again, the wheel continues to spin more and more. So you might ask yourself, who are those partners? So as you can see here, those entail Norwegian Cruise Line, MGM Grand, Aria, some helicopter tools, some restaurants, some bars. So pretty much everything you can find in Hong Kong, in Las Vegas, in Singapore, everywhere there's a huge base of casino and gaming. So what's next for Playstudios? How can they reach next level? How can they reach hyper growth? So actually the next level opportunity is by bringing and integrating more and more games. The biggest one is the RPG and strategic games, which is at a market of $30.3 billion. You've probably seen or heard of AFK Arena, for example. I've been spammed with tons of advertising by them. So this is basically the area and the style of gaming that they're going to try and integrate within the Playstudios ecosystem, because again, these are the types of games that you might not think a lot of people play, but actually tons and tons of people played. Especially in Asia, mobile gaming is very, very big. So their two main targets is basically the RPG world and the bingo world. And especially for the RPG category, the PlayAwards offering are going to be way better and way more appealing for players. For example, amusement and theme parks, sports events, esports events, concerts, festivals, etc. So lastly, let's just look at their financials. So revenue right now has been growing steadily. Between 2019 and 2020, it was a bit slowing down at 13%, but then last year they're up 22%. I would have expected it to be a bit more, but as you can see from 2021 to 2022, they expect that to grow even more to 33%. Now they forecast a 30% margin by 2025. At first, I thought this was pretty low, but as we will see, competitors are not as high as that. So here it is, you can see they compare themselves each and every year. So 2022, 2023, 2025. So 2025, like I said, they expect to be at 30%. Right now, Playtika is at 36%, Double Down Interactive 35%, but Zynga, a pretty big player in this field, is only at 25%. So yes, 30% might not seem a lot, but as you can see here, the median is at 32%, so they would be on the same level as their major competitors. And as we can see here, they actually expect to outgrow most of their competitors by a lot. So the compound annual growth rate between 2020 and 2022 is at 27% when you see the other players such as Zynga, Playtika at 15% and 7%. So they are expected to outgrow and grow revenue faster than all of those other players. Again, these are just projections by the company. Remains to be seen what actually happens. Right, so to conclude, as of now, I do not hold Playstudios, but if I would be buying a casino or a gaming stock right now, it would probably be that one. The market opportunity is pretty big. The valuation is pretty cheap right now compared to other players in the market. And to find a cheap valuation nowadays is very, very rare. I also like the fact that unlike other players, they actually offer real world awards. So it's pretty cool. It incentivizes a lot of people to actually play those games. They have countless of groups on Facebook helping each other how to win and also where to spend those awards. So it's pretty cool to bring that social aspect, that real world social aspect to such a mobile game. And that will be it for this video. Let me know down in the comments below what you actually think about Playstudios. Have you actually heard about it? Maybe you hold one of their competitors. Leave it down in the comments below. And if you like these videos, leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.